to self-host N8N. In this video, I'm going to share with you the process of self-hosting on N8N. Self-hosting N8N means running it on your own server, whether it's a VPS, cloud platform, or even a spare computer at home. The first step is choosing where to host it. Popular options include DigitalOcean, AWS, or any VPS provider that supports Linux. Once you've picked your server, log in via SSH and install node.js, which is needed for N8N to run. Then use npm to install N8N globally. To keep N8N running all the time, use a process manager like PM2. It ensures that N8N restarts if your server reboots or if there's a crash. You also want to set up a reverse proxy using Nginx and enable SSL for security. This allows you to access your N8N instance through a custom domain with HTTPS protection. Finally, configure your environment variables like the port number, credentials, and webhook settings to make sure everything works smoothly. And that's how you self host N8N.